Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate the Google Fi eSIM on your iPhone. It's really easy and simple. So if you're in an iPhone XS or newer, to basically set up the service, you need to download an eSIM. So on your iPhone, first connect it to a Wi-Fi network. Okay, sign in to the Google account, connect it with the phone number you want to use. And to set up your phone number and download an eSIM on your iPhone, you just follow the in-app instructions, right? So you need to go ahead and download the Google Fi app and launch this and continue with the on-screen instructions. Okay? It's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.